Bitcoin doesn't need Wall Street, but Wall Street needs Bitcoin coming up pretty soon. So Coinbase is handing over client data to the IRS because they lost partially. 14,355 users will be affected. These are individuals who have made over $20,000. Well, like they've worked with over $20,000 worth of Bitcoin through their application. All their data for the past couple of years is going to the IRS. But we're still talking about millions and millions of additional users. So let's get into it. My name is Michael Kubera. Stay tuned. This is going to be juicy today. We're going to start off, this is an article from CoinDesk, but everyone was reporting on this because this is huge. So the IRS and Coinbase have been at it again for like years because the IRS is kind of concerned and the governments of the world are very, very noticeably affected by Bitcoin, Ethereum, cryptocurrency movements. Some countries, such as Taiwan, outright banning Bitcoin or, just any cryptocurrency movements. And then China's regulations, the SEC's regulations. Russia is beginning to buckle down a little bit. What is going on here? That's because Bitcoin isn't a scam anymore. It's becoming a real thing where currently, at the moment, actually, let's refresh, it is 834 over here in Mexico. The market cap is at 332 billion. Bitcoin has rose 7%. It is $11,237 right now. That is close to a peak. It was higher before, like 11,300 to 11,400. Anyways, so with this, there's hundreds of billions of dollars into Bitcoin and all the major cryptocurrencies, and it's only growing. There's more people coming into the movement. So what is going on here? Cryptocurrencies technically aren't taxable because, there's capital gains where people should be like, oh yeah, I made a little bit of money here. Da, 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 da. No one's doing that. Nobody gives a fuck, okay? They don't want to give Uncle Sam taxes or all these other countries where it's like 20%, 30%, 50%. If you're making millions of dollars, I know individuals who would have lost 1/3 of their wealth due to this, pretty much, where there isn't a lot of regulation, or there wasn't. Now there's more regulation coming in. So as the movement keeps kind of, governments want to get a grip on this. Meaning, as more and more people come in, it might be a little bit more difficult to hide your Ferraris and Rolexes. However, what this means is that governments are getting interested. It's not a scam anymore because if they're okay with it, they're like, yeah, it's fine as long as we regulate it. Because if we don't, oh no, it's a scam at that point. But we need our 40% or 50%. Or there's countries that, like France, where it has billionaires literally moving out. They're like, no, I don't want to deal with that. I don't want to pay 70%. Screw that. Bye. See ya. So this particular battle with the IRS has been going on since November 2016, and they requested 480,000 users. They got 14,355 out of the 480,000, and Coinbase is dealing with millions and millions of records. This is going for, what was it exactly? $20,000 bought, sold, sent, or received, or higher between 2013 and 2015. So we're talking about 480,000 users that did more than that between 2013 and 2015. And that is interesting because over 20,000. So now as we're going further, well, my Coinbase account has been banned, so it's not like it makes a difference anyway. Yeah, it's pretty much a partial victory because they've been fighting it, and they handed out a tiny portion of that. So it's like they don't really care too much. And they're still going to be fighting it for a little bit. My camera ran out of battery, and I need to charge it. I'm going to go for a swim here in the beaches of beautiful Cancun, Mexico. So what do you think about the IRS, the government regulations of Bitcoin? And now Wall Street has recently been getting more involved with hedge funds. A lot of the investors and traders, they're like, woo, Bitcoin, let's make some money. So Bitcoin could cause the dollar to crash and everything. The world governments are gonna go down. So Bitcoin's gonna keep going up till $10 million forever and ever and ever. Or not, but you know, there's so many different things going on with Bitcoin that it's just crazy. I don't even know anymore. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. It's crazy. So anyways, yeah, share your feelings down below. If not, whatever, maybe dislike the video. So we shall see you guys tomorrow, most likely, if I haven't been caught by the cartels. So the crypto cartels. Bye.